Hello and welcome to another episode of Salty Mechanics. I am basically on my last reserves. I'm so tired now and I don't even know where to begin, man. I got so much stuff to do. And yes, I know it's the way it's supposed to be, Being a boat mechanic at summertime in Norway is supposed to be tough. But now I just feel like I got way too much stuff going on at the same time. You can watch the intro and then I'll get back to just relaxing for a little bit more on my really disgusting pillow. All right, it is so warm right now. I feel like I'm about to pass out. And the customer who owns this boat, he gave me a long list of things he wanted me to take care of. So that's what I'm doing right now. Amongst other things, I'm cleaning the cooling system on the engine. And I got about 25 other jobs going on at the same time. So I need to finish up here and just get on with it. Yeah. So now Tom and I, we are putting a sail drive in a boat. A lot of work. Tom is the main man on this job, but I have to help a little bit here and there. So it's just one of those things we got to get done. All right, all done with that. So Tom is gonna do the rest, and I'm gonna have to walk down this ladder without falling and on to the next job. Another boat, another customer, another project. This is a very small project. The customer, he wants me to change this front filter for the diesel system. He's got water and dirt in his tank, so we probably need to clean that, but just for now we are going to change the front filter for this customer so he can use the boat the next couple of days. So that's it. So now I'm done with this job. This was a very simple and easy job, no problems. I'm just gonna clean up and on to the next one. this yacht more than 50 feet. You can see the handles and the wood. It's just absolutely beautiful. A huge sitting area right here. And here you have all the panels and everything. It's a great area if you want to sit and plan your trip. You have a big room right here and a huge bed. And you have an ensuite, of course. You have that beautiful light coming in and a separate shower. And again, you have that wood, that solid material. And all the way in the back of the boat, you have 2 separate bedrooms. You walk through here and you have another room right here. But what I came to see is underneath the staircase, and to open it, I probably need some type of a tool. This is probably the one. And we go down here. This is a Yanmar JH110, I think. It's a common rail engine. So everything that has to do with diesel is controlled in this brain, this computer brain right here. Okay, so my job here right now is basically to do a Yanmar warranty service, which means that I have to go through a lot of different things, make sure that everything is okay so that the customer can keep his warranty. So I'm gonna plug in the computer and sign a couple of papers, and we're good to go. So after I've changed that filter and that diesel filter, I want to hear the pump going, and that sound is exactly that. The feed pump is now doing its job, pumping diesel from the tank and through the filters and to this engine, and it's actually gonna air out or bleed out, which means that you get all the air out from the diesel system and it goes back into the tank. So I'm gonna let that pump do its job now for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start it up. But I still have to fill a little bit of water here, and probably a little bit more oil on the engine as well. So now it's basically just about hooking up the computer to see if the engine is feeling all right. So everything checks out on the computer, so I think I'm just gonna pack up and I guess it's on to the next one. So before I rush to the next job, I have to throw away some garbage. Sometimes when working down here at the docks, I feel like the only thing I do is to throw away garbage. And it takes me back to a day when I used to work as a garbage man.
Jeg tror vi må ha på nett på den her, for ellers så bare blåser alt av. Å, faen. Helvete. Døren bak er åpen. Det vil si at jeg mest sannsynligvis må åpne den, ta ut litt drift, ass. Det detter jo halvparten ut. Det her er sånn dritkjipt, det tar masse tid og... Da føler man virkelig at man er faktisk søppelmann. Der. Sånn. Finito!
It's actually nice to go down memory lane from time to time, but now, time to go back to work. So now I'm in another boat, and the customer, he phoned me up and he said, I have a leak from the feed pump. Can you please just order one? And then I can come in and you can just fix it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. The boat is here, I'm on board, and I have the new pump. So this is the hose that comes from the tank, and it goes into this feed pump right here. And you can clearly see that we have a big leak. Diesel in my eyes. Now the engine is running, it's getting all the diesel it needs. Everything is good. So, on to the next one. It's just so nice to just keep cool, hydrate, and just relax a little bit once in a while. I've been waiting a long time for this type of weather, and now when it's finally here, it's almost too hot. Oh well, I hope you had fun this episode. I know I did, and I will see you next time for more mechanics and hopefully more sun. All right, bye.